This video is going to be a complete walkthrough of how to buy the Karbon token. So even if you've never bought a token before, this video is going to teach you how to do it from the creator himself, Kevin Hokoana. So firstly, what you'll need to do is click my link and below this video and you'll come to this page. Once you're here, you'll just get a brief look at the coin so you can see it's going up in price. It was released not so long ago, a couple of days ago, and it's already at just over 20 cents. Under swap, provide liquidity in, there's nothing there at the moment because this is basically a pre-sale. It's basically the Karbon Platinum program that's being pushed out at the moment. Once the Karbon Platinum program has ended, the swap, provide liquidity and earn tabs will become open. But for now, all you can see is the home page, who you've referred into the system, and the Karbon Platinum program itself. So we'll click on this. And as you can see, I've already bought my tokens and I've referred some people into the program as well. It is $1,000 to join, but once you've done that, you can join their exclusive Telegram group. And there are some perks to being in this Platinum program, but I'll talk about that on a separate video. So hopefully this video will help you buy this token. If you need any further help, obviously you can just contact me. All my links are in my link tree. This is also just a reminder that Carbon Elite is closing and it will be closed in roughly around the next 12 hours or so. It's closing on Monday, the 29th of August. If you want to know what the difference between the basic front-end version, Carbon Pro and Elite is, just head over to my YouTube channel and watch this video, Carbon Elite closing. And then I start talking about it around the 1 minute 30 mark. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks very much for watching.
Hey guys and gals, how you doing? Kevin O'Quan here. I want to take a minute and welcome you to the Karbon Protocol system. And what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to join the Platinum program. So in order to do that, we need to do a couple of things. The first thing we need to do is make sure that we are logged into the Karbon Protocol system and we are on the Karbon Platinum program page. So you'll want to click this tab right here, make sure we're on the Platinum Protocol page, and log in, and you'll see this right here where you can connect your wallet and see your tokens. Okay, so once you're logged in and you're on this page, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and run through 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to connect our MetaMask wallet. We need to connect it to the Karbon Protocol system, and then after that we need to go ahead and we need to fund our MetaMask wallet. Make sure that we have the funds necessary in our MetaMask wallet. So what we'll need is $1,000 in USDC minimum, and we'll need a small amount of Ethereum to act as gas. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with you right now. And then the last step is we're going to go ahead and purchase our Karbon tokens. So let's go ahead and get started. So step 1, let's connect this wallet. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on my MetaMask icon, making sure I'm in Google Chrome. Okay, and not incognito, must be Google Chrome, that is not incognito mode. And I'm going to type in my password here. And when I do, you're going to see this automatically attempt to connect. So I'm going to click on unlock, and what you see is wallet connected up here. Okay, so now my wallet is connected to the Karbon Protocol system. The next thing that I need to do is I'm going to go ahead and hop back into my MetaMask. The thing that I need to do next is I need to make sure that I have the currencies necessary to join the Platinum program. Well, what is those currencies? Well, to join the Karbon Platinum program, we need $1,000 in USDC, and we need some Ethereum to act as gas. Now, when you first open up your MetaMask wallet, you might only see Ethereum sitting right here in your assets. So when I click on this, right, and I'm toggled onto my assets, I'll see Ethereum, but I don't see USDC. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, and is I'm going to add USDC to my list of assets. How do I do that? Well, it's very simple. You can see right here where it says don't see your token, question mark, refresh list, or import tokens. I'm going to import the USDC token. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to search for the token by typing in USDC. Once I do, I'm going to click on USDC and I'm going to click next, and I will see the token and I can click on import tokens. Boom. So now I've imported my token and I have my USDC token in here. Okay. So from here, I can click on this back button right here and I can see that I have Ethereum and USDC. Very simple. So these are the two tokens I need. What I need to do is I need to fund some Ethereum right here, and I need to fund some USDC. How much? Well, Ethereum, I would recommend funding under $50. Transaction costs, depending on how much you are adding in to tokens, can vary from anywhere from $2 to $50. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send some Ethereum into this wallet, and then I'm going to send some USDC into this wallet to go ahead and get up and running. And I'm going to send $1,000 into this USDC wallet to make sure I have the funds to join the Platinum program. So first, let's do some Ethereum. Let's get some Ethereum in here. So all I have to do is click on this Ethereum. It's going to take me over, and I'm looking for these three little dots right here. Once I click on these three dots, I can go to account details, and it will pop up, and I'll see my Ethereum address. This is the address that I need to send my Ethereum to. So I'm going to do that again. Okay. I just click on Ethereum, go up to my three dots, click on it, account details, and this is where I need to send my Ethereum. This is the address, and this is ERC20. So I'm going to click on this, copy it, and we're going to go ahead and send those funds in. Okay, so off screen, I just went ahead and sent $50 in Ethereum into this particular wallet to make sure that I have all my fees covered no matter how much I end up putting in to the Karbon Platinum program. I'm going to X out of this now that I've sent that in. I'm going to come back, and you can see it's already there. That's crazy. I did it right off screen very fast. And the next thing I need to do now is send in some USDC. So in order to send USDC, I'll click on this, and I will come up to my three dots, click on it, and I will go to account details. I'll copy this, and I'll send my USDC, if I have it, straight to this wallet, and I'm going to send $1,000 in USDC coin. Okay, so our USDC has arrived, and just so you know, that took about 11 minutes for it to arrive. So don't be too alarmed if it takes a little bit of a delay in getting your Ethereum and or USDC moved on into your MetaMask wallet. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and we're going to purchase our Karbon token. Since I have my Ethereum and I have my USDC in this wallet and I'm connected, I can now go ahead and I can go down to this area right here where I can enter an amount, and I'm going to enter in $1,000. And what's going to happen is I can then go ahead and I can click purchase Karbon tokens. It's going to start processing that transaction for me. You will see it open up in MetaMask to the right hand side, where I will then go ahead and scroll down and I can look at everything that's going on. What I'm doing is I'm paying $6.02 for fees, and again this fluctuates based off of the time of the day. All right, and that's coming out of the Ethereum. And when I scroll down, I can see I'm approving $1,000 in USDC to be used on the platform. I'm going to hit confirm here, and then what's going to happen is you're going to see this box up here, this yellow box pop up, where it is approving the transaction and going through the process. So this is approving, and I just need to wait for it to interact with the smart contract. Once it's done, you'll see this green box pop up right here, and we are ready to go. We're ready to approve it yet again. So I'm going to come back on over to MetaMask, which should have opened up. If it didn't, then you can click on MetaMask to open it. I'm going to scroll down here all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to click on confirm, and it's going to go ahead and execute the transaction. So I'm going to click confirm, and you'll see that the transaction is now in progress. And once that transaction is completed, it will then go ahead and update the screen with my new balance of Karbon token. Now, depending on the time of the day and the congestion of Ethereum at the time, it might take a little bit of time for this to execute, anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Now you saw it execute, and it is done, and I can see my balance is now in here of almost 5,000 Karbon token, and I am good to go. I'm in the Platinum program. I have my tokens, and just one fun fact, if I go click on stats here, I can see that the Karbon token price has actually risen in value since I've been doing this. So pretty cool. As people are coming into the Karbon Platinum program, you will see that Karbon token go up in value. Okay. Well, welcome to the system. Welcome to the Karbon protocol and the Platinum program. Take care. Talk soon. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.